Design variations make it easy to create variables of your assemblies. For example, we have this shelf assembly that has a number of design variations. For example, if we change the size, you'll see that it automatically adjusts and modifies our model to the particular sizes that we're picking. You can actually go into your design variations and you can see variables that you've created. In this case, we have overall width, length, height, number of shelves, and the spacing for the shelves as variables that are in our table. Let's go ahead and pick one and set it to the size that we like. Now the key thing is you don't want to have to create drawings for each one of these variations. You really just want to call out one drawing and actually use that information in the design variation on the drawing. If you go to our ICD, I've just went ahead and created a file here of our drawing that just shows our overall height, our overall length, and our width of our file. You can go and create a design variation table, which once you select your part, you can have some options for your table and hit OK. It will actually go into the design variation, grab those same variables that we saw, and actually put those as column values and pull all the values for those. For example, you'll see that here's our design variation name, which is our tab name in the design variations, and here's those values for the 72-inch, for overall widths of 32, 36, 24, and 12. You can see this goes through and pulls up all the values for you. All you have to do on the drawing then is just essentially call these out. For example, in our text, this actually pertains to a particular item in our table. We'll call this our overall length. And we'll go the same thing for this one. Go to our text, replace that, and we don't want it underlined. We'll just go ahead and call this one overall width, and hit OK. And so now that you have a drawing, you can basically call out which one that you're manufacturing and just tell it to look for a particular design variation name, and your draftsman can pull up the values for the overall width and length from the table to get the idea that they need to manufacture. So a very handy way to detail your drawing instead of creating multiple sheets for every detail or design variation that you have.